Well, it feels like it might be time for a V8 S-10 update. I've got the S-10 with the V8 in it, but not the white one. If we pan over just a little bit, back there in the shadows, is an 86 S-10 extended cab. Got it for an unbelievable price. I'll probably tell you later in the video. Now it's a good start of a project truck, being it's already got the engine in it. He sells a stock 350, a built 350 transmission. It's got some chrome, carburetor, he sells 8 months old. Electric fan. It's got the headers, the dual exhaust, the 2 Flowmasters. Need to find a set of wheels and tires for it. Of course it's going to want a paint job. And that hood, I do not like the hood. I'm going to be looking for a cowl induction hood. And if we go to the inside, 2 bucket seats. I like the steering wheel. It's got a nice turbo action shifter. It's got a couple valve covers in the back. If we look in the bed, looks like a homemade stainless steel fuel cell. Big one, right over the rear end for traction. We got a decorative half block, a racing oil pan, an electric fan, and a rope, I guess in case you break down. And there's a stock axle in the box. That means these axles are not stock. Alloy USA. I need to figure out does it have a posi or not. That'd be next on the list. And I've got some traction bars waiting to go on it. And I've got some better gauges just waiting to go into it. Might not do a stereo. It's too loud to even hear it anyways. Oh, and I got some floor mats that want to go in there. We might do that right now. Hang on a second. There we go. Got some Chevrolet floor mats. First improvement. Now, if you're wondering about the fuel cell, I don't know. I like it, but then again, it's right in the middle. I can't put my mower back here if the fuel cell's in the way. And this, But I do have a stock S-10 gas tank we could throw under there. Let me think about that one. There's the 2 valve covers. I guess they used to match the truck, or still match the truck. There's a Bosch tack. He says it works. And there, oh, exhaust gaskets. And a can of Wasp Hornet spray. Here's a shot of the Flowmasters, dual Flowmasters. And if you look at the shock, you can see some kind of oil was leaking, maybe transmission fluid. We're going to fix that up. And the exhaust comes out the side corners, backside corners. Oh, and if you look, there are lowering blocks. It's already been lowered 3 inches. First fire off, day number 2. A little more about the truck. That's the electric fan. Something that actually works. And down here, this is your ignition, hot wired. That is your kill switch. Running, shutting off. This is your starter button. And somebody had the solenoid wired wrong. We're about to do a wiring on this truck. And then here on the solenoid, they had this wire that goes to the starter. They had it here instead of here. We're going to fix that. Down deep in there, you can't see it, but there's a little high torque starter, Mallory distributor. And then to mount the motor, they got this plate that goes across the front. I've never had one like that. I like it. And then here in the bed, all the leaves, all the trash, we've raked them all out, washed it down. It's looking good back here. And there used to be a battery mount in the bed. I think that's going to come out. Leave it under the hood. More room in the bed. No official word yet, but both sides were spinning. I don't suppose you'd put aftermarket axles in and not make it a posi? Let's go ahead and guess it's probably a posi. I think the boy might be excited. He might be trying to claim it.